Welcome to this intro level course on geospatial analysis with Kinetica. This course will take you through the basics of working with geographic information in Kinetica and is meant to be approachable for all levels of knowledge. Before we go any further, let's clearly understand what we mean by geospatial data. Geospatial data is any data that has a geographic component to it. A geographic component here simply means a location or a set of locations that can take the form of simple points or more complex shapes describing lines and boundaries or even elevation. Some examples include a border for a country, a line representing a road or a river on a map, the outline of a water body, etc. All location data is described in reference to the Earth. Geospatial data combines this geographic information about location with other attributes. For instance, things like traffic, poverty rate, income levels, etc. This data is commonly housed in some form of a geographic information system, or GIS for short. We rely on geospatial data on a daily basis, often perhaps even without realizing it, to do things like getting from point A to point B, hailing rides on apps like Uber and Lyft, getting packages delivered right to our doorstep, tracking our progress on fitness apps, and much, much more. A large number of services also has some geospatial component behind the scenes. For instance, social media apps use some sort of geofence to serve content that is relevant to you. Retail locations push ads based on where you are, and telecom companies decide which cell tower to connect you to based on your location. However, despite its ubiquity, geospatial data is not always easy to handle, particularly at scale. Complex geospatial analysis on really large datasets can take a significant amount of time and resources to run. It is equally hard to achieve interactivity with geospatial data at scale. Most traditional platforms struggle to render more than a few million points, let alone billions. This makes it hard to analyze and play around with geospatial data at the massive scale that modern businesses demand. These challenges can place a substantial burden on companies that rely on this data to provide their services. And often, we end up leaving unused or underutilized geospatial data on the table. This is only likely to get exacerbated in the future as the amount of geospatial data increases with new technologies like 5G, the Internet of Things, self-driving cars, etc. This course discusses how Kinetica's Active Analytics platform addresses these challenges when dealing with geospatial data at a truly extreme scale. And by the end of this course, you will be able to understand and use the key features of geospatial analysis with Kinetica.